Hi everyone, today we are looking at a question like this. Now, if you're a P5 student, then this is a must know, okay? Now, as you can see over here, the number of fiction books in the library was 3/4 of the total number of books. So, what they're trying to tell us is that 3 units goes to the fiction books, and the total has to be 4 units. The total has to be 4 units. So, from here itself, right, we call this a before and after concept, a B and A concept. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to draw a table. I'm going to draw a table and I'm going to call this fiction and I'm going to call this non-fiction. I understand that in this question, it did not say anything about non-fiction, right? But as a math student, you need to understand that whenever the question gives you fiction, you need to find the hidden information. And the hidden information, as you can see over here, has to be non-fiction. All right, so it is basically the opposite. Okay, so over here we can say that the total is 4 units. Okay, now for fiction, 3 units. This might be 4. Therefore, for non-fiction has to be 1 unit. Okay, so what I do, I added or donated to the library. So donated to the library basically means that I'm going to add 592. So this is the change part. Okay, this is where I'm adding 592. Did I add anything to the non-fiction? Not at all. So what I want to do right now is to say that non-fiction still remains as 1 unit. And they continue to tell us in sentence number 3 that the number of fiction books became 5/6 of the total number of books. So total number of books has to be 6 units. Fiction book is still 5 units. This is 5 units over here. And as you can see over here, the total has to be 6 units. And this is my after. Okay. Now from here itself, we can obviously see that 2 units, okay, 2 units is actually equals to 592. If you're wondering how I got to 2 units, I basically asked myself, how do I get from 3 units to 5 units? That is basically an addition of 2 units. We are going to find 1 unit. 1 unit is basically 296. And the question says, how many books were at the library at first? So at the library at first, we have to find the total, right? So that is basically 4 units. And you can see that 4 units has to be 296 times 4. We will get to an answer of 1184. And this is my answer for this question.
If you like this video, you can click right here for a similar video, or you can view our playlist here.